Hi. During my creative workshops, expressing how I feel, we will connect to our intuition, to our heart. They are aiming to enhance our connection with our inner world, our creativity, of course, and tackling things like low self-esteem when it comes to creativity, dealing with our inner critic that is very often present when we want to create something from the deepest wells of our heart. And we also, on the top of experiencing our emotions and contemplating them creatively, we will be layering over it current planetary transits and archetypes present in our energy field collectively, because I work with astrology and systems that derive from astrology, which allow us to go deeper into like each aspect of our not only creativity but also any aspects of our lives. So each zodiac sign contains 5 to 6 sub-archetypes, which we will be touching on during our creative workshops. So basically we will be contemplating our lives creatively through lens of those archetypes. And the main objective of this workshop is to reconnect with our emotions and see what story is behind those challenging emotions, and that is basically that. And during the workshops we can use meditative music, which can slow down our thinking mind and get us deeper into our intuition. And it's all about connecting to what comes up when we start contemplating the emotional themes that are present in our life, current and those from the past. They are all connected, and that to give it more spice, we will go through archetypes of the zodiac as well. This can be done through, when it comes to artistic expression, through drawing, painting, but also poetry and writing. I can guide you to use either archetypes present in your birth chart or those that are currently in transit when it comes to zodiac and those sub-archetypes. We will be going deeper into ourselves and expressing that creatively. So I hope it makes sense. If you have any more questions about those workshops, please let me know, and I'm hoping to see you there. It will be amazing.